Hey guys, here we are March 5th. We're looking at a 60-degree day. We're still doing predator work, and also we're getting ready to get into some coons, but we set a few snares yesterday. Looks like we got a big red one sitting here today. Alright guys, hope to holler at you later. Alright guys, like I said, it's March 5th. We set up snares yesterday. Ain't bad for the first day. Over there, another pretty dog. Alright, guys, I'm gonna quick and painless. No problem. Alright guys, we'll holler at you if there's another. See you in a little bit. Have a blessed day, guys. Alright guys, look there. Still March 5th. There's dog number 3 down there flipping and flopping. We've had cattle killed here, so this is why we're doing the predator job here in this farm. Get the gate open, get down here and get him dispatched. Here, y'all get on the gator and y'all can ride with me, okay? Cattle gates are never as easy as these horse gates. All right, guys. As we can see, there's dog 3. Slow down, big boy. All right, we're gonna get this snare set, see if we got any more. This may be it. Guys, y'all have a great day. Guys, here we are. Like I said earlier this morning, we was on the cattle industry. Beautiful day, beautiful day. Temperatures are supposed to be 59. We just set traps yesterday. Starting right off, we got 3 coyotes here, 2, all of them Easterners. You can tell by the color, but we got 2 big males. Look heads on them dogs. Little female. She's kind of stub nose. Guys, as you see, we ain't slowing down. Got to do this farm, got a few more to do. But we are also getting ready to transition over to coons on the horse farms and start thinning them populations down before they start having little ones in the barns and stuff. So there'll be some videos on that as well. Guys, I appreciate you being on Trap Line with me today. God bless, and hopefully we'll talk to you tomorrow with a few more.